Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys. Oppo phone guys display and brightness setting guys, and today video titles guys how can we disable dark theme in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to disable guys your Oppo phone dark theme setting guys, you don't want to use, so how can you disable today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, you don't like your dark theme guys, your dark background guys, you want your light theme and light background. So how can you enable and how can you disable guys your Oppo phone dark theme? Now let's see. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys phone display and brightness setting guys. Open your display and brightness, and as you can see your light theme setting, we will tap here. After 4 seconds, friends, your light theme will enable, and friends, your dark theme will disable, and friends, you can use guys your phone with your light theme setting guys. Dark theme will disable guys. So like that we can disable guys phone dark theme setting guys, and we can enable light theme. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.